Hey guys, let's unbox this USB cable tester. I got this from Amazon. The model is the TRX50816. Let me just open the box here and see what's inside. There we go. Here's the device itself. Here, there's a plastic here in front of the device to protect the screen. And here's information. For the first time use, peel off the battery's plastic film. Okay. And here, a user guide. USB cable tester user manual with the information to contact the manufacturer and how to use it. So there's a lot of information here and nice, looks pretty good in different languages as well. Okay, so the user manual looks good. And here, just peel this off. Super nice, nice LCD here. Here I have a button for something. I don't know yet what it is. I'm going to test that later. And here's the battery. And here you can just connect the cables, USB-C and USB-A. And here a lot of different cables. You see, different connections for different cables. You see, a lot of them. That'll be very, very useful. And here, there's the battery and the plastic that I need to remove to make it work. Let me just remove the battery here and remove the plastic. There we go. Put the battery back. And see if it works. I need to press some button, perhaps. Not sure yet. Here. There we go. Battery. There we go. So I just need to connect the cable and start using it. I'll just grab a cable here and see how it works. There we go. So I have a cable here. I just need to connect one here on the USB-A. In the other end here, I'm going to connect to the USB-C ports that I have just down here. And you see, it starts working right away. The data transmission, and I have all the information here. Power transmission is good. This cable is not for data. Pretty nice. So I just see here that's working. Let me just grab another cable here pretty quick. There we go, another one here, USB to USB-C, sorry. USB-C here to USB-C just down here. And take a look. USB 2.0, power device. I can just power device and have power transmission here as well. So super nice. So works with data transmission 2.0 and power device. Let's say, for example, I need a cable that's faster. So I know this one is not good enough. It's just 2.0 and I need, let's say, 3.2, for example, or 4.0. Super nice. Okay. So I think I'm gonna like it. If you want one like this, just go to Amazon and get yours.